What's up, everyone? My name is Arif, and this is your Daily Chat Season 6, Episode 17 for October the 27th, 2021. How is everybody doing today? What is going on? I'm a little giddy today because today was a good day, man. Today had to be probably the best day I've had all year. And why was today the best? Well, let's jump right into it. SHIBA INU coin absolutely flew today. This bitch went all the way to the moon and back. It was the best. And why am I so excited? Well, because unlike Dogecoin, where I literally looked at it when it was next to free and passed on it, I'm actually in on this one. That's right. I'm actually in earlier. I'm in before everybody else. I actually got in back in like June. So, yes, I do have an absolute vested interest in the performance of this coin. And yeah, today was a great day. And getting off my own hype train, SHIBA INU, for those of you that don't know, is just another, for lack of a better word, it's another shit coin. We have Dogecoin, and from Dogecoin we had a whole bunch of spin-off coins. We have SHIBA INU, we have Shiba Isha, we have Corgi coin, we have Elon Doge, we have a bunch of other like shit coins that have no real value, but there's always got to be another hype train. You know, when one leaves the station, another hype train has to be coming towards, and SHIBA INU just happens to be the next train pulling into the stop. So it absolutely flew up today, rallying just an unbelievable amount. I'm showing on the 24-hour chart, it went up 72%. On the 7-day chart, it went up 196%. On the 30-day chart, 1,059%. And on the 90-day chart, we have 1,212% growth. It was truly something special today. Anyone who was in on this coin had this graph open the entire time, just watching it as it flew up there. And sure, we had our dips like we always do, but all in all, this growth curve was could not have been better. I'm not telling anyone not gamble. What I'm telling you is maybe you want to get into this coin. I need as many of you idiots to buy this coin so I can check out ASAP. Now, you know, I can't check out till I can pay off my student loan. So, you know, help out Daddy Arif and buy the coin so I can like leave right now. But getting off of SHIBA INU, we will be following this story as I keep making more money. YouTube is actually going to begin demonetizing low quality kids content. And this is a long time coming, but what low quality content is, YouTube is going to define it as anything overly commercialized, anything kind of promoting bad behavior. It just overall things that, you know, the SJW overly sensitive soy people keep getting offended about. Anything that they get offended about, they're going to start demonetizing. I get it. It's kids. In one of the rare aspects of life, I do get it. And yeah, this is a long time coming. Ever since that Spider-Man and Elsa video kind of really came to the forefront of YouTube in the news cycle, we've been pushing more and more towards this path, and it was inevitable that we got here. In fact, in all honesty, I'm a little bit surprised it took this long. And for those of you who choose to not heed YouTube's warning and keep creating overly commercialized content, the punishment is exactly what you think it would be. You get kicked out of the partner program where you can join the rest of us low-level sub people. So if you're a YouTube kids content creator, might want to start up in your game. If you're making content like really crappily, up your game. And if not, probably back out and move to like, I don't know, makeup tutorials. Most of you are too poor to do it anyway. And finally, TikTok. I'm getting a little bit tired of Congress and Senate constantly calling companies to explain themselves, because the people coming to explain things to the Senate is literally too old to understand the things being talked about. In this video here, just absolutely highlights that whole aspect as a executive from TikTok had to come in and actually talk about how TikTok is not sending your data to Beijing, how TikTok is not associated with ByteDance China, all of which is a flat out lie. You don't have to be a cybersecurity specialist to know that your data is taking a first class trip all the way to Beijing and coming back. You don't have to be a genius to know that. And I just wish that if they're going to start really taking these kind of things seriously, which it is good in a way that politicians are taking stuff like this seriously, but in another way, it doesn't help that the median age of the US Senate is like 1006. They really do need to bring in people who actually understand, computer science, people who understand algorithm design, people who understand data and privacy. They need people who actually understand this stuff. The gentleman here, whoever this fool is, I don't remember. His name is somewhere in the article. I already forgot it. But this old guy here, this dude, I'm pretty sure the first computer he used was made out of rocks. Pretty positive. The questions he asked, the questions Ted Cruz asked, very stupid questions, clearly saying something that I had no idea what the actual meaning of the answers were. And it just overall, we're going through this song and dance over and over again with Facebook, with Google, with Snapchat, with TikTok. We're going through this whole song and dance over and over again, and we're not making any real progress. And once again, I'm good with the government trying to step in and, figure some stuff out. But it doesn't help that the people trying to figure stuff out are so old and so stupid that they can't figure stuff out. Remember that whole thing with Facebook where the one senator or the one congressman, I don't know, the one politician was asking about an iPhone and trying to relate it to Facebook. It's moments like that where it's just like, oh my God, kill me now. But other than that, all in all, today was a pretty good day. Pretty good day. Yeah. Okay, guys, that is going to do it for me today. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name has been Arif. This has been your Daily Chat, Season 6, Episode 17. If you guys like this video, hit that sub button. I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.